know he's after something else now. I think the guys need some more noise from you guys. Trying really hard. There it is. When the guys are falling off, the only thing they're trying their hardest.
佢機都最趕，佢機最趕。
Probably get a little bit tired.
Yeah, 最趕，最趕。
They're trying to clear the area there, over the back of the ramp. If you clear that area over behind the ramp, you can start to have it. Make sure you're not standing behind the ramp. Please keep it clear. Terry's going to go down there and try and marshal that area. I've no idea what the guys are doing. Thanks,
Vai dai!
That brings us to the end of our demonstration.
Cheers,
Give all the guys one last big round of applause. You got Frigate. And last but not least, Jeremy Gray. We've been doing thank you for watching the show. We will be back again at 3:30. But next up, we've got Coast to Coast in 5 minutes. 15 minutes, sorry. 15 minutes time, we've got Coast to Coast.
Nè, đi áo ơi. Đang hay.